science experiment, you will need a light object like a pom-pom, a medium weight object like a Lego, and a heavy object like a coffee mug. Look around your house and find an object that will work. Look for the link to the Win Science printable on the Facebook post. And remember, a hypothesis is just a guess of what will happen. All right, so these three things are much like the houses in the Three Little Pigs. We have the one that's made out of straw, which would be kind of like
This one?
the pom-pom. We have the one that's made out of sticks, which would be kind of like the Legos. And we have the one that was made out of bricks, which would be kind of like a heavy glass. Okay, which one do you think is going to be the easiest to blow down?
The easiest, I would say the pom-pom.
Uh-huh. And Lara, which one is the hardest to blow down? I think it'd be the cup.
A cup.
Should we try it and see?
Yes.
Okay, let's try it. All right, you are going to be like the big bad wolf, and you are going to huff and puff and see if you can move that pom-pom.
I'm the big bad wolf. Puff, puff.
Can you be the big bad wolf and huff and puff and see if you can blow the pom-pom?
Okay. I'm a big bad wolf. You did.
Okay, can you blow down the Lego house?
Okay.
Oh, you could do that one too. Can you blow down the Lego house?
Okay.
Ooh, was that one harder to blow?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you think it was because it was heavier? Yes. Can you blow down the heaviest house, which is a coffee mug?
I'll try.
Okay. Oh. Do you need help?
Yeah.
Can you help? Okay, go together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh no. Okay, could y'all move it?
No.
No.
Why not?
It's because it's pretty heavy, but it's made out of glass.
It's too heavy and too strong.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. This is an example of the Win Science printable that we filled out to match our experiment. Feel free to fill out the printable to match your experiment too.